Hi, I'm Maxwell, and today I'm going to do an experiment on liquid density. My experiment is fireworks in a jar. Jar, oil, food coloring, water, bowl, a paper towel, and a spoon. So first, you fill the jar 3/4 of the way with water. Then set it aside. In the bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of cooking oil with 3 to 5 drops of each color of food coloring.
Okay, fill it off. Okay. Here you go. I'll hold it for you. Easy does it. Whoa. Okay, so 3 tablespoons. So you need 3 of these. I'm the assistant mom and videographer. Oh, it's okay.
It's a little bit too much.
No, it's fine.
Then you set it aside.
Okay. Now what?
Then you get 3 to 5 drops of food coloring of
Of each color?
Yeah.
Okay.
Up in
You
here.
have to open and lid up there. Yep. So just squeeze it. 1, 2, 3. You can do 3, 2, 5. So you can do some. You can do some with 5 and some with. It doesn't have to be just 3. Just leave it go. We'll do it later. Just snap it. Just press this back on like that.
Alright.
Do 4. The next one.
And the blue one. Now red.
Okay.
Alright. Now I use a spoon to stir the food coloring into the oil.
Okay.
It will not mix, but stirring will help break the food coloring into smaller droplets. That looks cool.
That does look cool. Here, I'll show closer. That is neat. Okay.
And set it aside.
Number 4.
Now pour the container of oil into the jar of water.
Okay.
Do
Easy
this
does it, sir.
easy.
Oh, cool. Okay.
After a moment, the oil will settle at the top of the jar, but the food coloring will shoot down into the water, creating fireworks. The food colors will continue to shoot down like fireworks until all the droplets have fallen from the oil.
Okay, I'm waiting for fireworks here. Let's see if anything happens, Mr. Kemp. Oh, look, it's cool.
Oh, it's going down.
Yeah, it's so cool. It's like fireworks.
Whoa! It looks like
let's
exactly
move
like,
it.
it looks
Let's-
exactly like the picture.
Yeah, let's move it off this paper or this dish towel so we can actually
Whoa.
see it better. That is super
The oil
cool.
just like sits at the top.
The oil's just sitting at the top, but the colors are shooting down like fireworks.
Whoa.
That is so neat.
Whoa.
Spin the jar around here. See if there's any. I can definitely tell you use mostly the more of the blue.
Yeah, 'cause it's darker.
It's getting darker. If you get up real close though, you can see some of the red and
Green,
the yellow.
yellow.
Yeah. Showing it. Sorry if it's blurry.
Can I put more red in there?
Reflection. Yeah, if you want to, you can try it. See what happens. I don't know if it'll do anything or not. Some of that, I can still, okay, I can see some of the droplets were still floating on the top.
It will take some.
Take just a second.
Yeah.
Try not to get the reflection of the window here in the
Yeah,
light.
so some of them are
We have like the worst lighting in this house. Wait. Some of them still sitting on the top.
Still some.
Okay, try that. I wonder if it would make a difference if you added more water to the jar. Let's do that to see if it does anything, just for fun.
No, it's like all dark.
Yeah, it's all dark now.
Maybe
The fireworks
that's
went.
like
No, wait,
yellow.
let's try the water and see if it makes any difference. Let's see, if you look at the top, you can still see them floating, so let's see if there's, if we add a little bit more water, if anything happens. Probably not, because it's too dark now, but look at the top, it's pretty, oh, it's cool.
It's like bubbly.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cool.
So, Max, what is the actual science behind this experiment? What does...
The basics of the experiment is that food coloring will mix with the water, but not oil. This is because traditional food coloring is water-based. But why won't oil and water mix? This is due to their varying liquid densities. In short, the oil is less dense, causing it to float on top of the water. This food coloring is more dense than the oil, so it falls through and mixes into the water.
Okay, so, good job.
This is really cool.
I have to try that again and do, maybe use different degrees of, you
It
know,
works really
different
good.
numbers of food coloring, like don't use as much as the dark and see if it makes a difference.
Yeah, you can mix like more yellow and like
Yeah, we'll try it again.
and like red or green.
Yeah.
Something.
Okay.
Bye.